Hey, family foodies, ever dream of turning your kitchen into a top-notch steakhouse? Well, guess what? With the Ninja GR101 Sizzle Smokeless Indoor Grill and Griddle, you're about to make that dream a delicious reality. The Ninja GR101 isn't just any indoor grill. It comes with interchangeable grill and griddle plates that let you switch from cooking juicy steaks to making mouth-watering fajitas in a snap. Imagine this: char-grilled flavors filling your kitchen any time of the day without setting off the smoke alarm. Sounds awesome, right? Now let's talk heat. This bad boy heats up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. That's right, 500 degrees. This means you can get that perfect sear on your steaks, just like at your favorite steakhouse, but right from your kitchen counter. And with its edge-to-edge cooking feature, every inch of your food cooks evenly. No more worrying about hot or cold spots. One of the coolest things? It's smokeless. Thanks to the perforated mesh lid, you can grill indoors without smoking out your house. Plus, it's designed to keep things clean with high walls and a grease catcher that controls splatter. Got a big family or a bunch of hungry friends? No problem. The 14-inch plates can handle half a dozen burgers or a big stack of pancakes, making it perfect for a family of 4 to 6 people. And cleanup? It's a breeze. Both the grill and griddle plates are non-stick and removable, making them super easy to clean. Even the mesh lid is dishwasher-safe. Whether you're firing up a quick meal with the hood up or melting cheese on those burgers with the hood down, the Ninja GR101 has got you covered. And it comes with a quick start guide that includes 10 recipes to get your grilling adventure started. So, if you're ready to amp up your home cooking game, the Ninja GR101 is your ticket to steakhouse vibes at home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more kitchen magic tips and tricks. Catch you next time.